I was going to build the transom template today, but started grinding it yesterday. This is what I came across. It's about 15 millimeters thick, all chop strand mat, and it's delaminated. Looks like it's right up the whole transom. That's the original transom there, and that's how thick the chop strand mat is. You can see it's all delaminated under there, and it's right across the whole transom. I need to take it all off. Massive job. Huge job. Okay guys, a bit more sanding, or a lot more sanding. This side's pretty much clean now. Just got to do along the edge, right up the side. But all that real thick shit is gone. I need to sand down here. There's some more down there, around there. But that side is pretty much okay. Just needs a light sand. And right up along the bottom cleaned, and up the side. But I'm glad all that chunky stuff is gone from in here, right up in here.